kabuluhan kung hindi maramdaman ng ating mga kababayan. Kaya't patuloy ang ating pagbibigay ng sapat at kalidad na trabaho. This June, the unemployment rate dropped to 3.1%, one of the lowest on record for the last 2 decades. Over 50.3 million Filipinos are now employed, with 63.8% of them in the formal sector. Lalong dumadami ang mga kababayan nating may disente at formal na hanap buhay at naging bahagi ng middle class. Ang lahat na ito ay patungo sa layunin nating iangat mula sa kahirapan ang bawat Pilipino. At abot kamay na natin ito. The poverty rate also dropped to 15.5%, which means we have lifted 2.5 million Filipinos out of poverty, and only 10.9% of Filipino families remain poor. Our goal is to further reduce this rate to 9% by 2028 and improve the lives